Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel AIXPro.in. Do you want to be rich? Today, we are uncovering the 12 secrets the rich don't want you to know. These insider tips and strategies are the reasons behind their incredible wealth and success. So, let's dive right in.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 1. Investing wisely. The wealthy don't just save their money, they make it work for them through smart investments. From stocks to real estate, they diversify their portfolios to minimize risks and maximize returns.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 2. Networking. The rich understand the power of connections. They build relationships with other successful people, opening doors to new opportunities and collaborations.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 3. Continuous learning. Wealthy individuals never stop educating themselves. They stay ahead of the curve by constantly updating their knowledge and skills.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 4. Discipline and patience. Building wealth takes time, and the rich are masters of delayed gratification. They understand that consistent effort and smart decisions pay off in the long run.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 5. Leveraging debt. While most people fear debt, the wealthy use it strategically to grow their wealth. They take on good debt to invest in assets that appreciate over time.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 6. Tax optimization. The rich employ experts to help minimize their tax liabilities through legal strategies, allowing them to keep more of their earnings.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 7. Entrepreneurship. Many wealthy individuals build their fortunes by starting and scaling businesses. They identify gaps in the market and create value through innovative solutions.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 8. Multiple income streams. The rich don't rely on a single source of income. They diversify their earnings through side businesses, investments, and other ventures.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 9. Risk management. Wealthy individuals are adept at assessing and mitigating risks. They ensure they have insurance and contingency plans in place to protect their assets.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 10. Mindset and attitude. A positive, growth-oriented mindset is crucial. The rich believe in their ability to succeed and remain resilient in the face of challenges.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 11. Philanthropy. Many wealthy individuals give back to society, not just out of goodwill, but also because it helps them build networks and create a positive legacy.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
Secret number 12. Living below their means. Contrary to popular belief, many rich people live frugally. They prioritize saving and investing over extravagant spending.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.
And there you have it, the 12 secrets the rich don't want you to know. Apply these principles, and you could be on your way to building your own wealth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.
Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away.